Hibiscus tea, known for its vibrant red color and tangy flavor, is more than just a delicious beverage. Made from the dried petals of the hibiscus flower, this tea is packed with health benefits that have been recognized for centuries in various cultures around the world. Whether you're sipping it hot or iced, here are the top 15 benefits of hibiscus tea. Number 1. Rich in antioxidants. Hibiscus tea is a potent source of antioxidants, which help combat free radicals in the body. These harmful molecules can lead to oxidative stress, contributing to chronic diseases and aging. Regular consumption of hibiscus tea may help protect your cells from damage and reduce the risk of many diseases, including cancer. Number 2. Lowers blood pressure. One of the most well-known benefits of hibiscus tea is its ability to lower blood pressure. Studies have shown that drinking hibiscus tea can significantly reduce systolic and diastolic blood pressure, making it a natural remedy for those with hypertension. This effect is believed to be due to the tea's ability to relax blood vessels and improve circulation. Number 3. Supports heart health. Beyond lowering blood pressure, hibiscus tea also supports overall heart health. It helps reduce levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, and triglycerides, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. By improving lipid profiles and reducing inflammation, hibiscus tea can be a powerful ally in maintaining a healthy heart. Number 4. Aids in weight loss. Hibiscus tea has been linked to weight loss and improved metabolism. The tea contains compounds that inhibit the production of amylase, an enzyme that breaks down carbohydrates into sugars. This process can reduce the absorption of sugars, aiding in weight management. Additionally, hibiscus tea is a low-calorie beverage, making it a healthy alternative to sugary drinks. Number 5. Boosts liver health. The liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying the body, and hibiscus tea may support its function. Research suggests that hibiscus extract can enhance liver health by increasing the production of detoxifying enzymes and reducing liver damage caused by toxins. Regular consumption of hibiscus tea can help maintain a healthy liver and improve overall detoxification processes. Number 6. Improves digestion. Hibiscus tea can aid digestion and promote a healthy gastrointestinal system. The tea has mild diuretic and laxative properties, which can help alleviate constipation and bloating. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory effects can soothe the digestive tract and reduce symptoms of indigestion, making it a great choice after a heavy meal. Number 7. Regulates blood sugar levels. For those with diabetes or at risk of developing the condition, hibiscus tea may offer some benefits. Studies have shown that hibiscus tea can help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing glucose absorption. This can help prevent spikes in blood sugar levels, making it a useful addition to a diabetic diet. Number 8. Reduces anxiety and depression. The calming effects of hibiscus tea can help reduce anxiety and depression. The tea contains flavonoids and anthocyanins, which have been shown to have mood-boosting properties. Drinking hibiscus tea can promote relaxation, reduce stress levels, and improve overall mental well-being. Number 9. Supports immune system. Hibiscus tea is rich in vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. Vitamin C helps boost the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting off infections. Additionally, the tea's antioxidant properties help protect the immune system from damage caused by free radicals. Number 10. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to various health problems, including arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. Hibiscus tea has potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with inflammatory conditions such as arthritis or autoimmune diseases. Number 11. Promotes skin health. Hibiscus tea is often referred to as the Botox plant because of its anti-aging properties. The antioxidants in hibiscus tea help combat the signs of aging by reducing the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. Additionally, the tea's high vitamin C content promotes collagen production, which is essential for maintaining firm, youthful skin. Number 12. Supports respiratory health. If you're dealing with a cold, cough, or sore throat, hibiscus tea can provide some relief. The tea's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties can help soothe the respiratory tract and reduce symptoms of respiratory infections. Additionally, its high vitamin C content can boost the immune system and help the body fight off infections. Number 13. Alleviates menstrual pain. For those who experience menstrual cramps and discomfort, hibiscus tea can be a natural remedy. The tea's anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties can help relax the uterus and reduce the severity of cramps. Additionally, hibiscus tea can help regulate hormone levels, which may reduce symptoms of premenstrual syndrome, PMS. Number 14. Enhances cognitive function. Hibiscus tea may also benefit brain health. The antioxidants in hibiscus tea can help protect the brain from oxidative stress, which is a contributing factor to cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Some studies suggest that hibiscus tea can improve memory and concentration, making it a great beverage for maintaining cognitive function as you age. Number 15. Natural diuretic. Hibiscus tea acts as a natural diuretic, helping to eliminate excess fluid and salt from the body. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with high blood pressure or those who suffer from water retention. By promoting diuresis, hibiscus tea can help reduce bloating, improve kidney function, and support overall urinary health. Hibiscus tea is more than just a flavorful and refreshing beverage. Its numerous health benefits make it a valuable addition to any diet. From promoting heart health and aiding in weight loss to supporting liver function and boosting the immune system, hibiscus tea offers a wide range of therapeutic properties. Whether you're looking to improve your overall health or simply enjoy a delicious cup of tea, hibiscus tea is a fantastic choice. As with any herbal remedy, it's important to consume hibiscus tea in moderation and consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.